Cracks seen in RCC water reservoir constructed under Jal Jeevan mission following failure to fill the water tanks, maintained Joint Action Committee on New Development Project under Jal Jeevan Mission JJM, Noney and Tamenglong District. As part of the mission, construction of water supply tanks, fitting of water pipelines, and other project work in 82 villages of Noney and Tamenglong was undertaken by PHE Department. The JAC has flayed the government for non-clearance of bills and non-provision of construction materials like GI pipe, etc. The JAC meeting held at Kumji Community Hall discussed on non-payment of bills and other related matters. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, JAC spokesperson Alan Palmay recounted that construction of RCC water reservoir tank commenced from March last year in 82 villages of Noney and Tamenglong district, with 80% of the work completed in August last, mainly due to their efforts and self-financing in the respective villages. However, this work was launched owing to non-payment of outstanding bills and non-supply of GI pipes by work agency for fitting the pipelines, he added. Urging authority concerned, the work agency in particular, for release of the pending bills within March, he cautioned of launching intense agitations, including ban on national projects such as railway construction works and total ban along National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam Road, if their demand is not honored.